Good morning, this is Micah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. You can reach us at 316-262-8267. This morning I'm going to show you our 2006 Chevy Uplander. This Uplander has a 3.9 liter V6 with 134,000 miles on it. This used to be a power ramp and door unit. We have changed this over to a manual ramp and door. The door here on the passenger side, the sliding door, it does still operate with power, but we are representing this vehicle as a manual door, not a power door. It is a side entry manual. As I said, it is ADA compliant. We're going to get right into it. It's very easy to operate. That power door still goes. Just right at the end, it cuts short a couple inches, so you got to give it a little push to get in there, and then you pull your ramp out. Ramp operates nice and smoothly. And just like that, if you can pick up a half gallon of milk from the ground, you can operate one of these manual ramps. They're very easy, very cost effective to operate. The ramp width here is a 30-inch wide ramp. Interior entry height is 56 inches. Interior height is 58 inches. It is an ADA compliant side entry if you are looking to use this van commercially. Come in here, you do have your main temperature control, and then down here you got your rear blower control. Helps keep your rear passengers nice and cool during the summer. The passenger seat there does move out, so if you have a wheelchair rider that wants to ride up front, be next to the driver, they certainly can do that, and you can take that chair out kind of like a two-wheel dolly, right out that ramp, store it in your garage, and whoever you need to can sit right next to you. If you do have a person there, that still leaves your center open for another wheelchair. It could accommodate two wheelchairs fairly easily if a family needed that. We're going to go ahead. We're going to put our ramp away here. As easy as it came out, it goes right back in. Grab the door. Just like that, our ramp's put away. All right, we're going to do a walk around the body. It's got that privacy glass that everyone wants to have during the summer, especially when you got that rear AC. It does help keep that back into the van nice and cool for your passengers. Got the nice alloy rims. Tires, all four tires are brand new Mastercraft. Had those put on. We're going to do a walk around the body. This is a 2006, so we're looking at a 13-year-old van. That's in pretty darn good condition. It's got a few dings to it, of course. Especially when we get on the other side, there's a few more dings in the passenger side. But overall, it's a pretty sharp van. The dings that this van does have, that white color really kind of hides it. It doesn't make it as noticeable. About almost a quarter size there, been touched up with paint. We've done a lot of work to this van. What we do is we take vans like this in, we refurbish them, have our ASC certified mechanic go through these, give us a recommendation of everything that they suggest to be done, and then the guys start tearing into them. It's got some dings. I'm not sure the camera's going to pick them up. Some touch-up paint there. I'm not going to get everything in this video. What I'm trying to do is give you a very good idea of what you will receive at your front door. If, let's say, you live in Chicago, we're in Wichita, Kansas, you order this van from us, it arrives at your door. I want this video to be a good idea of what is going to arrive at your door, so there are no surprises for our customers. Headliner's nice and clean. I don't see any stains from my angle. There's no rips. Van has no odors in it. I don't smell any smoking. I don't smell any pets. Driver's side is just a manual sliding door. Operates as normal. Back seat's in good condition. got your power windows, power mirrors. Does have the normal wear and tear spot that you see on these seats, whether it's a Chevy, Dodge. Eventually, so many rear ends slide in on these, that forms a hole. All right. Gonna show you here, all of our lights do illuminate. We're gonna power the van on. Oops, my bad. There we go. Let's see. All the lights go off as they should. This van has, can you see it there? 134,363 miles. That glare from the sun is making it a hard one. We're going to test the air conditioner first because it's hot. It's nice and cool. The radio does work. However, when you open this driver's door, it does not automatically turn off. Each time you exit the van, you will need to turn it off by pushing that button. Test our window. Everything operates as it should. Our driver's power mirror, not a problem at all. Everything works. Our passenger's power mirror, it is working again. I tested it a few minutes ago and it did not want to move, so we'll call that intermittent. Might have to be set manually. All right, let's take a look under the hood real quick. All right, you got your 3.9 liter V6. Got a brand new battery in there. I don't see any leaks. I don't see any squealing, squeaking, rattling. I do have the AC running. I don't hear the compressor squealing. Underneath it, you don't have an abnormal amount of rust, which is very important. If you go and buy a van sight unseen and you don't have your seller give you a shot of the undercarriage of your van, you could be ordering a rust bucket without even knowing it. Therefore, when it gets to your door and you receive your purchase, you might have bought something that can't pass inspection. Whoever you buy a van from, whoever you buy any kind of vehicle from, if it's sight unseen, make sure they take a few minutes and do a video much like this one, so you're not throwing your money away. All right, let's take her for a test drive. We are back in our 2006 Chevy Uplander, 134,000 miles on it. We're going to take it on the test drive portion of the video. I do apologize for having two videos on this. I hit the wrong button after the walk around. But we're going to do the test drive. What we want to do is get this up on the highway, get it up to highway speeds, give you a chance to listen to the transmission shift, the engine run. I'm going to turn down the AC just a little bit so you guys can hear the mechanics of this vehicle. Five miles an hour. Van goes straight down the highway. There's my hand. Actually, pretty quiet and smooth ride. I'm a little bit surprised at how smooth of a ride it is. Not that I had any doubts in the van, but usually vans with this kind of mileage, that ramp is rattling. I don't feel any pull from the steering wheel. I don't hear that ramp just a rattling. I could actually have a conversation in this van. So if you use this for family purposes or even commercially, you can actually speak to your passengers in the back. This van rides really nice. We're going to come up here on the exit ramp. We're going to do a hard brake. Going to keep that steering wheel in view of the video. Hard brake. Van did not pull. My hand was off the steering wheel. Van operates smoothly. It's a nice ride, nice quiet ride down the highway. Quieter than most Uplanders, I'll have to say. We have done a lot of repairs to this van. I mentioned in the previous video, we take these used vans. Most of them, like this one, they're fleet maintained, so they've been well taken care of. not something that has been privately owned and you wonder if the oil change was getting done. A fleet maintained vehicle has policies and a process it has to follow in order to stay compliant within their company guidelines. But the repairs we did on this van, I did not have the list available to me as soon as we made this video. I do apologize, but they will be listed on our website at mobility316.com. Take a look at them. If we list the repairs, that means we do have a receipt for the work done. Many of the repairs don't even get listed because we don't have a receipt to back it up. We don't like to advertise that. Again, we are Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We've been in business for nearly 8 years now. Jeremiah is the owner. You can call him at 316-262-8267. And I'm going to repeat that number before we're done here. But folks, I want to tell you, we do have over 450 positive reviews on eBay. Not a single negative comment in nearly 8 years of business. We have a 100% satisfaction rating with the Better Business Bureau. If you have any questions, if there's anything we can do to help you along the process of searching for your mobility van, give us a call, 316-262-8267 or 316-262-VANS. Of course, our website is mobility316.com. Thank you.